Hi, I'm Daniel McGrew with Epiroc Product Support for our Underground Rock Excavation Division. Today on our E1C, we'll be adjusting our pull rope and return rope on our feeds. Now you'll have to check with your machine specs, but these will be similar to all the machines in adjustment. So the first thing that we want to check on our drill is the distance between our drill carriage and the back of the feed. Now you will have to reference your machine drawings, as we have different feed options for our different drills. This particular machine is 12 7/8 inches. So from here to the back of here, we can see that we're 12 7/8 inches. The other measurement that is crucial is from here to here, and that on this machine is 1 7/8 inches. So we can see that we're within spec, but as the rope stretches, we need to tighten that rope and correct that distance. So to do so, what we would do is take a 16mm wrench and we would loosen this block and move it out of the way. Next, we would take a 24mm wrench and we would tighten this one until the proper distance between these two sections was available. Once we're done that, we're good to go. And now we can go and do our return rope. So now that we've adjusted our pull rope, now we need to adjust our return rope. First thing we have to do is slide our drifter all the way down, and we put a 2x4 block in between the two carriages, between the centralizer and the drifter. Once that is done, we'll check the tension here. Right here is the adjustment bolt for this cable. 24mm, loosen both sides. Get your tension that you would like on this. The tension on this is critical, as if it's too tight, it can wear out the bearings on your hose drum. So you want it just tight enough to where it's going to hang there and not fall off the reel. Once you got your correct tension, you tighten these down together and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, and for further assistance, please contact Epiroc via a dealer or a service center.